Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new MacBook Air. This is the latest model, so I believe you call it the early 2020 revision. There is now only a 13-inch model, so yeah. I got it in gold and it's the one step up from base, so instead of 256GB of storage, I get 512GB of storage. So yeah, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, you have a side profile of the MacBook Air itself. On the bottom, as well as the top, it says MacBook Air. On the sides, you have the Apple logos, and I believe the Apple logos as well as the MacBook Air branding, they're all color coded to the MacBook Air that you buy. So since I bought the gold one, they're all in gold. And on the back, down here, you have the barcode, serial number, and the model. And right here, the specifications. So yeah, now you have a tab instead of cutting open the seals. So the tab is down here. Let's pull it to get the plastic off. Alright, let's put the plastic aside, flip it over. Okay, so there you go. The MacBook Air is right on top. Okay, let's put that to the side. And right here we have the charging cable. It is USB-C to USB-C. Right here, it says designed by Apple in California. Inside we have your quick start guide. This is in English. Quick start guide in Mandarin. And this is the safety and handling leaflets. One's in English, one's in Mandarin. And of course, the Apple stickers. Right here, we have the Apple Malaysia service card, the adapter, and the charger itself. Okay, so let's take the plastic wrapper off, turn it over. Put the plastic wrapper to the side or it's gonna fly off. Set it down and let's do a quick first boot up. Okay, so let's open it up. And just adjust the camera. Take this part off. It's gonna fly off again because of the air conditioning. Yeah, it is booting up. Okay.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
But yeah, gonna select English UK. Okay, sorry for the camera angle just now. But now it's asking me for my region.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
I'm gonna select Malaysia. Preferred languages, English, Malay, dictation, blah blah blah. Okay, continue. Just gonna enter the Wi-Fi details. Okay, right now it is data and privacy. So continue. Transfer information to this Mac. Don't transfer any information now. So let's enter my Apple ID. Okay, so the Apple ID has been entered, and now it's asking for terms and conditions. So agree, agree, create a computer account. Okay, so let me do that and I'll be back. Okay, so now Express setup, continue, analytics, nope, so continue, screen time, okay, so continue, Siri, nope, don't use it, Touch ID, okay, continue. So let me just use my thumb. Okay, I'm gonna use this finger. Alright, continue, choose my look. I'm gonna go for light. I don't like true tone anyway, so I'm probably gonna turn that off later, but it's now setting up my Mac. And there you go. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new MacBook Air 13-inch in gold. Thanks for watching and goodbye.